Hey y'all, my name is Diamond. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, wig designer, and wig educator. I specialize in teaching inexperienced women how to create an additional income through wig making classes and styling techniques. Today, I will be working with TedHair Company. I've been working with them for almost a year and a half now, testing out their hair. And today we will be doing a review. I actually chose TedHair because TedHair was a local vendor and I needed hair on hand due to the shortage that was overseas. I've been working with TedHair for almost 2 years now. So they sent me over 3 bundles, 16, 18, and 20. This is a 4x4 lace closure, transparent. The lights are very tiny to be seamless and natural looking. This is the bundles they sent over. Their bundles are always full and true to length. Has a natural shine. The wefts are always thick. And on their bundles, they also send over a notice of how you can keep up with your hair and keep up with the maintenance on the health. And the bundles, their bundles are always an inch or 2 longer. So this is their 20-inch bundle. And it's measuring all the way out to 23 inches, 23 and a half inches. And this is only a 20 inch. And this is 100% cuticle line virgin hair. The bundles are always full, thick, and true to length. No tangles. The hair is always soft and easy to comb through. Lightener, 20 volume developer. You need a scale, a whisk, and you also need a comb. And you also need some foam to let the knots on your lace closure process. I'm going to use a popsicle stick to spread my bleach on my lace closure. So I use 5 ounces of lightener. Reset my time back to 0. When you're bleaching your knots, you want your consistency to look like a pudding or a cake batter. You don't want your consistency to be too loose and runny. If your consistency is loose and runny, that means that the product will seep through your knots and you will over bleach your product. So this is how I determine whether or not this is good enough. I'm going to start from the hairline all the way down. Spread it on now. Pull my hairs down so that the baby hair won't get caught in the bleach. And then I'm going to place it face down with the bleach on the foil so that it can process for 30 minutes. Always use a heat protector when using heat on the hair. We're just going to do a curl tip. I'm using my T3 curling line on the highest setting. Now I'm going to straighten it back.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of bird.